welcome guys, it's Trendy Styles forever. Keep watching. Hi dear beautiful ladies, thank you so very much. This was a requested video by some of our audience or viewers or subscribers, and we have decided to put forward a video like this for you again. We do have similar videos already up and running, but of course you can watch this one because it comes with current hair looks and hairstyles. Right now you're watching 2025 unique braids cornrow hairstyles for black women. You can find latest two braids hairstyles because that is the most important thing for a lot of women out there. They love to look simple, they love to go for the simple hair look, something that wouldn't take too much of their time at the hair salon. So these are all very beautiful and amazing jumbo sized or big sized braids hairstyles to help them stand out and look absolutely beautiful. The goddess in you will surely showcase itself. You can see varieties of variations of hairstyles when it comes to that bold look, variations of braids hairstyle looks. You can definitely see hairstyles for both natural hair lovers as well as a relaxed hair type. We do really hope you get the necessary inspiration or the great and best hair idea right here as you watch on. It's all about you at the end of the day. We want the best look for you, which is why we've taken our time again to put together this amazing video just for you to know that you can go with styles like this and look absolutely beautiful wherever you are right now, the Caribbean, Africa, America, Canada, Australia. Wherever it is you are in the part of the world, you're definitely going to find some amazing styles as you watch on. So go right ahead and subscribe, leave us a like and share your thoughts. Do not forget to share the video with friends and family. Keep it with us here always. You take care and have a wonderful lovely time out there. Bye. watching.